Record-shattering and life-threatening wind chill has arrived in northern Washington. This is a particularly dangerous situation. An Arctic blast from Yukon has resulted in forecasts indicating that Washington will break its record for the coldest temperatures in the state. Wind chill values will range between 20 and 40 below today and will continue to drop overnight into 52 below. Strong winds combined with this will cause wind chills to drop to 61 below. This is a life-threatening situation, and under no circumstances should you go outside. Wind chills colder than 50 below can cause exposed flesh to freeze in 5 minutes. A wind chill warning is in effect for all of Washington and northern Idaho and Oregon through Wednesday. The winds will also bring blizzard conditions into Washington until Monday. This will bring an additional level of danger to those stranded. Repeating, a wind chill warning is in effect for all of Washington and northern Idaho and Oregon through Wednesday. You are putting your life at incredible risk of death or misery by not going inside. If you do not head inside, you will almost immediately die. If you are already inside, do not go outside. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken.